So ano po ang reaction niyo po doon sa statement po ni Undersecretary Claire Castro?
Are you listening to Claire Castro? Nobody ever listens to her because all he does is to defend and defend and defend, even at the expense of truth and justice.
JMA po, ano po observations po ninyo or mensahe na lang po siguro sa mga naghihintay dito sa labas ng ICC po?
Makita mo talaga na walang kupas at walang tigil ang suporta na para sa dating Pangulo. They know, we know, that everything that he did was not for himself, but for the country and his people.
Ano po yung mga nangingibabaw na observation nyo doon sa loob matapos ang unang araw ng confirmation of charges hearing?
Well, there were three opening remarks: the prosecution, the counsel for the victim, and Attorney Kaufman. What tops it all is direct to the point, authentic, sincere, and factual. That Attorney Kaufman made details of the man that is now surrendered to the Hague. No? Insofar as Attorney Butoyan is concerned, I have to say this in front of these people. It's very insulting to say that you have bloodthirsty Duterte clones. And as he has in fact admitted that there are multitudes or millions of them all across the Philippines and abroad. That having said, no, they all love Tatay Digong insofar as the Philippine situation is concerned. So, to me, it was precisely insofar as what he said. It's very insulting to the people here and to the people back home. He has to address it and correct what he said. No? Ang nakakadismaya, abogado siya, ganito abogado siya, and yet all those things that he mentioned, if he truly believed in the Philippine judicial system, that should have been tried home, as the former president have been saying. No? He takes full legal responsibility, but he wants to be tried before a Filipino court and tried by a Filipino judge. That has never changed from day one until now, and even in the statement of his waiver, he has not recognized the jurisdiction of the ICC precisely because if there are complaints, if there are criminal complaints against him, it should be brought before a Philippine court and tried there in the Philippines.
Ngayon naman po, ano po yung mga inaasahan nyo sa mga sumusunod or mga nalalabi pang araw ng confirmation of charges hearing?
Well, as expected, there will be allegedly a specification of the alleged incidents or the three counts that actually would mention of the dates that were mentioned in the charges. So basically, that's how we would expect in the next few days.
How confident are you po dito po sa case against Duterte po?
To be honest, without the political implication in this case, we would be very confident. And that is a huge qualification in my statement insofar as this case is concerned. As I've said, they can bring that up and before a Philippine court. If I may have to address this a little bit, all the evidence that were mentioned, that were alleged, because there were no allegations yet that were brought out today. These are just allegations, meaning these are not yet evidence insofar as the confirmation of charges hearing is concerned. So having said that, lahat ito galing Pilipinas. At ang kumukuha nito, Pilipino. Hindi naman pwede na yung taga-ICC pupunta doon sa Pilipinas Di ba? So ibig sabihin, pumunta sila sa Pilipinas, tinulungan ng mga Pilipino. And more particularly, yung nasa gobyerno. No. Now that having said, din natin itatry yung kaso. And we're ready. The Philippine legal team is willing, ready to defend the president there in the Philippines. Good that we have an able and competent defense team headed by Attorney Kaufman insofar as the ICC case is concerned.
Ano po yung pinaka nangingibabaw nyo pong observations po sa first day ng confirmation of charges hearing?
Bias kami kasi we are one of the lawyers of President Duterte. But from the way I see it, napakaganda yung response na ginawa ni Attorney Kaufman. It was sincere, honest in his response. Na he he made it very clear that in a trial, evidence is very important. You do not just rely on rhetorics.
Kanina po na-interview po namin si Attorney Conti. Ano sabi niya po ay the prosecution is trial ready. Meron po ba kayong reaksyon doon sa kanya pong statement?
Well, I guess si Attorney Kaufman is also ready, just like the prosecution. Ganun talaga ang husgado, yung prosecution sa defense, they have to prepare for their respective position on the matter. Kanina maganda yung resulta. We were very happy with the presentation of Attorney Kaufman.
Hanggang po bang sa Friday na confirmation of charges hearing ay nandito po kayo, sir?
Yes, because we are here to actually support Attorney Kaufman. We are just here to coordinate with him, to discuss with him, and practically all the aspects of the case will have to also contribute in a manner we can.